This phone looks pretty mid, right? Just another budget Samsung with nothing special. But the moment I turned it on, I knew something was different. Let me show you why A56 actually shocked me. Starting with the design, it's simple, clean and honestly feels better in the hand than I expected. The back has the subtitle texture and when the light hit it just right it actually looks premium. And those camera bumps, minimal, sleek, no nonsense. It doesn't scream flagship, but it doesn't feel cheap either. I wasn't expecting much from the camera, but the photos turned out surprisingly sharp. Colors are vibrant, the contrast is on the point, and even in the lower light, it holds up decently. Of course, it's not pro level, but for the price, not bad at all. Now let's talk about performance. Swiping through apps is buttery smooth, and animations are super fluid thanks to the 120Hz display. No major lags, no weird stutters, everything just works the way it should. I also tried a bit of casual gaming and it handled it just fine. Battery life surprised me. I used it all day, social media, camera, a few games, and by the evening I still had charge left. For a mid-range phone that's impressive. It charges fairly quick too, so you're never really stuck. Overall, I thought this phone would be a forgettable budget device, but it turned out to be a solid everyday phone. Great screen, decent camera, smooth experience, and it just feels right. Don't sleep on the A56, sometimes the mid phones turn out to be the biggest surprises. Subscribe if you like the content.